States, there is just an absolute flurry of bird activity over here. I don't even know what kind of these big ass things are over there. I don't know what they call them things. They're big blackbirds of some type. So look at them. See them right there? And there's like a pile of them over there. Like they're big crows or something like so. Hopefully they won't mess with the FIMI A3, which I haven't flown in a long time. I'm thinking about selling it, but we're gonna fly it. I was thinking, okay, I'll wait till winter to where there's no sun out and I'll be able to see the screen. But you know what, to be honest with you, you can't even see it that good in the winter. Even when it's completely cloudy, the screen's not that it's not that good. Seriously, it's terrible. Let me start some video and go over there and torment these buzzards. Wow. Yeah, this video is not even that clear, even with no sun at all, just nothing but clouds. So hell with it, let's just take off. Maybe I don't have enough satellites, hold on. What's it say? Okay. Hold on. Yeah, that screen, it still looks like hell, even when it's not sunny out. Look at that. Wow. I'm just letting it sit there, to be honest, because I can't see nothing on this screen. I mean, this was the real Achilles heel of this thing, man. It's really disappointing because the quad looks like it would actually fly decently. Let's just go over here and see if they're gonna try to attack, because I don't see any kind of brightness. You can change the EV setting on the video, but it doesn't change anything on the screen. I can barely see that screen. I mean, literally barely see that. But I'm gonna fly over there by where those bastards are. Look at that, it's breaking up already too. Boy, oh boy, what a shame. I'll be honest with you, I don't know how anybody flies this thing with this screen like this. Unless you just want to fly line of sight. Okay, well they're all over there, but I don't... I can't see jack on that screen. Plus the transmission signal's breaking up, so, you know, hell with it. I think I'm just gonna get rid of this Turk. This thing's not even worth keeping to me. Make me an offer. Make me an offer. Nice build quality on this, but the screen just ruins it. The FPV screen just absolutely destroys this thing. Absolutely ruins it. Yep, absolutely ruins it. Yep, it's not even worth keeping this thing. Can't see shit. Not for me anyway. Maybe somebody else could get some use out of it. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.